Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to go from this dry frizzy hair to this beautifully defined curly moisturized hair using all natural products from HennaSooq. HennaSooq was started by Khadija and her husband Jamal. Khadija provides quality products and she personally supports her clients in their journey to healthy hair. HennaSooq has a variety of all natural hair care products, and the products that I will be using today are the Cassia and Neem hair wash and the Goddess Hair herbal blend, the Cleansing Conditioning CoWash. To start off, I'm thoroughly saturating my hair with a Flare-Sol spray bottle, and before you apply the shampoo, you definitely want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly saturated so it can cleanse your hair properly. So now I'm just going to go in with the Cassia and Neem hair wash. I'm going to put about a quarter size of it on my hands and begin to scrub it into my scalp. Then I'm going to separate my hair and apply the shampoo to my scalp directly. I'm just massaging it in so the suds can get going. The Cassia in this shampoo strengthens the hair, cleanses the hair and the scalp, and adds shine to the hair strands. The Neem in this shampoo is anti-dandruff, anti-inflammatory, and it nourishes the scalp. I really love this shampoo because it's super moisturizing and it has a slightly citrusy smell. As I'm applying this shampoo, I'm always making sure to rub with the pads of my fingers and not my nails to be sure that I do not scratch my scalp. Here are my finished results from the shampoo. It left my hair feeling moisturized. It also left my scalp super clean and my hair strands product free. I'm gonna go in with the Goddess Hair herbal blend. I'm pouring about half of the package into the bowl. Then I'm adding water until it forms a pancake batter-like consistency. Here is what the perfect texture should look like. Now I'm applying it all throughout my curls. The Cassia in this hair mask strengthens the hair, the Amla promotes hair growth, the Hibiscus adds shine, the Fenugreek makes the hair thicker, Rose Petal balances the hair, and the Aloe adds moisture. Here I'm just going to show you the rest of the application process of the Goddess hair mask. The hair mask is all applied and my curls are looking super defined and strengthened. I really like how this hair mask looks. Here are the all finished washed results of the hair mask. Look at how much curl definition I have with no product. Now I'm going to go in with the Cleansing Conditioning CoWash. This product is super moisturizing and I absolutely loved how it made my hair feel. It detangled my hair at the same time as I was applying it. The shikakai in this conditioner is a great source of vitamin C. It soothes the scalp and it also prevents hair loss. The rosemary in this conditioner stimulates growth, it prevents graying, and it also helps with hair loss. The tangerine is antifungal, it soothes the scalp, and it's high in vitamins. The clary sage promotes growth, is anti-inflammatory, and antifungal. Here is the rest of the application process using the Cleansing CoWash conditioner. Here are my rinsed results from the Cleansing CoWash conditioner. It left my hair super moisturized and very defined. I absolutely loved it.